Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Chris. I'm a videographer, photographer and YouTuber, and I make all sorts of videos from how-tos to tips and tricks to product reviews to just me standing right here talking to you guys. If you think you'd be interested in that long term, then hit that subscribe button. I think in every creative profession at some point during your career you're going to feel overwhelmed, overworked and basically burnt out creatively. Hopefully in this video I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that have helped me in order to help you. I'm going to be making this video from a videographer's perspective because that's what I do, but it can be applied to photographers, web designers, coders. I imagine every one of us feels the same at some point during our working day or working life. So for me, I find that I usually get into this state towards the end of the year. So after we've had a really busy year of filming and we've shot a lot of weddings and we've got a backlog of weddings that need to be edited before the new year, I find myself feeling quite down and I feel like there's not enough time in the day to finish the projects that I need to work on, but at the same time I can't even bring myself to sit at my computer and tackle them. So I stopped and I relaxed and I completely tried to switch off. Even though I had these deadlines hanging over me like this, I just switched off completely and I thought, right, what do I need to do to get out of this funk? And then it occurred to me, why did I get into this profession of making videos? Because I love making videos. So why don't I do it for myself? So that is when I created my YouTube channel. That's when I started, November 2018. There's been videos on my channel before that, but this kind of video of me talking to the camera, that's when this started. It was a hobby. And I know it's very similar to what I do for a job, but I'm doing this for me, not anyone else. I don't make any money out of it, so there's no pressure. And I really love making these videos. So that's what I would suggest to you. Go and find a hobby. It doesn't matter what it is. You could go out and you could learn volleyball, or you could go horse riding, or you could just go for a walk. Anything that just clears your mind of the backlog and the stress that comes along with it. I chose to make videos to have a break from making videos, which doesn't make much sense, but in my head it's completely separate. My corporate stuff, my weddings is on one side and my YouTube channel is on the other side. And it really is my creative outlet, which brings my spirits back up so I can focus back on the work I need to complete. Whatever it is you choose, just make sure you're passionate about it and hopefully it will recharge your creative juices. So take a break, find a hobby, and hopefully your head will clear enough in order for you to complete the tasks that you need to complete. The way I complete my tasks when I'm in this state is I make a list of all of them. Might sound simple, but I write them down and I just do one at a time, and it's surprising how quickly you can get through that list. I can clear a backlog in a week if I really put my mind to it. You can do it, I've got faith in you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's only a quick one, but I just wanted to share my experience with you, let you know that you're not alone. Everyone feels like this at some point, and hopefully this video has helped you out, cheered you up. Go get a hobby. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow.